Hello everyone, I hope so doing well. Today we are going to see what is the value of scheduling your day and why we need to do it. First, let's see why we need to do it. Basically, you can say it allow you to figure out what to focus on. It save time. It remove distractions. Goals are focused. More than that, it also allows you to stay focused. Let me just align them. Other than this, scheduling your day also allow you that how to manage things. More than that, how to manage things. It also allow you can say take time for yourself. And more than that, the most important factor about scheduling your day, you know what to do and what to do not, or more like do's and don'ts, because time is an essence. Time is a very valuable thing. You need to know where to spend it in a proper manner, because if you don't know where to spend your time, then of course there are going to be a lot of issues for you, and you need to understand that these issues are critical in a very critical way, that these can create a lot of problems for you, because scheduling your day is important. Let's have more about how to plan your day. It is important. Think ahead, embrace the rituals, slow down, find rules that work for you, use chunking. You need to read. First of all, you can follow Tony Robbins on it. The best for you. Nothing else. He will guide you. Basically, he is a very great, one of the greatest mentors so far I know. So you need to understand that how things work and how you can make them work for you. It will take time, of course, to understand how to make things flexible for you. I hope so you like my content. Stay tuned for more videos. I will come with more content in short amount of time. As far as Tony Robbins is concerned, you can go on Tony Robbins, his personal site. Just wait a little. Here you can find a lot of great sort of content for your own self and other like that. You can find courses, stuff, reading, events, all like that, and it will be great asset for you. I hope so. Over the course, you have seen that scheduling your day is very important. Whether because you have a lot of things to manage, and if you are not good at managing things, if you can't manage small things in a well manner, there's no way you can manage big or good things. Because if you are an entrepreneur or a manager at some company, you need to have a scheduled day. You need to know when you have to do what and why you have to do it, because there is very limited time in a day. So using your time in an efficient manner can put your ears ahead. Apologize because my video is a little bit slow, but this is the end of the video, so you just need to focus on my voice narration. Okay, so don't worry as far as the video is concerned, just focus on the voice. You can follow any mentor, whether it is Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, Jim Kwik, Napoleon Hill. All of them say that you need to focus on scheduling your day, scheduling your week, scheduling your month, scheduling your year. You need to have a schedule. You need to have proper system or a systematic stuff, or you can say things that overall the things are going on, because only in this manner you can measure how much you progress have made. Like today's Tuesday and I have 10 tasks to do, so I will do each task and cut it out, and at the end of the day I will see how much I was able to do or how much my tasks are left. It will tell me my progress. Let's say I was able to do only 7 tasks out of 10, still I was able to do 7. Next day I will try again, maybe I will be able to do 8. So it's all about managing things and doing it in a better manner. I hope so you got my point. Stay tuned for more videos. I will come with more content. Goodbye.